All right, a big thank you to the amazing employee. We got an original, well, not totally original, but this is an Empire with GAL fixtures. Nice. We're only gonna take a quick ride because he doesn't want me in the building for too long, so I'm going to respect his wishes. There's your phone. Up to one end there, because we're not going to keep camping on this elevator for long because this is a private residence. Big thank you to the front desk employee for letting me ride this. GAL fixtures. Empire. Look from the ceiling, high. There's that elevator right there, which unfortunately is inaccessible. We'll watch the door close. Here's your original indicator. Well, actually, okay, it closes nice. This is what the elevator hallway lobby looks like. Here's your call station. Look in the mirror, high. What's going on? Thank you so much, sir.